Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create new site with website template in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to create new site with website template and we are going to import website template. Now we are in Wix dashboard and then you see create new folder and then you see button create new site. So click on it. Now you see what kind of website are you creating. Then you see example and then you see search field. So you can add according to your requirement. So I added portfolio and then click on next. Now you see drop down select and then click on next. And then you see what would you like to call your website. You can change it anytime. So you can add your website name according to your requirement like our portfolio and then click on next. Then you see what do you want to add to your website recommended for you. You see different design. Also if you want you can skip this option and then you see view more. If you want you can enable this functionality like this. So it's up to you. Now you see built-in Instagram feed, blog, video. Now select portfolio and then click on next. Then you see start setting up your website. Go to dashboard. Also you see start designing your site. Begin with a template. Get a custom built site. First click on go to dashboard. Then you see welcome to your dashboard. Let's set up your business. Now you see welcome to your dashboard. Also you see let's set up your business. Then you see update your site. Click on update now. Select site type. So you can edit according to your requirement and then click on save. If you have domain, then you can add your domain and then click on let's go. So you can connect a custom domain to this folder or website. So we will do this later. And then you see add a project to your portfolio. So click on add project. Then you see different project title, collection, source, created on. If you want you can edit it according to your requirement. Again go to home page. Then you see design your website. So click on design site. Now you see how would you like to design your website. Two options. Let's fix create a site for you. Use our site builder to go live quickly. And if you want you can select this option customize our design template. So it's up to you. So you can select any option according to your requirement. So if you want you can create website from site builder and if you want you can import template and then make changes according to your requirement. Now click on pick a template. Now you see different categories. So you can select according to your requirement. Now you see edit view. So click on view. So this is our layout. If you want to use this design then click on edit this site. So click on it. So you can select design according to your requirement. Now loading our template. Now you see design is added. Close this pop-up. Then you see this is our design. You see add element section, pages, menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And then you see save, preview, publish. So this is our design. Now you see add section, quick edit. Now click on it. If you want you can change name. Now you see title, paragraph. So this is our website design. Now you see title, text. Also you see this is our gallery. Now you see portfolio page. Now double click on it. Now you see this project show on home page. Now close. If you want you can edit according to your requirement. And then scroll up you see about page, content page. On left side you see pages and menu. So click on it. And then you see collection pages, project pages. Now select. Now this is our collection page. Now you see my portfolio. Now click on it. So you can add title according to your requirement. So you can customize design according to your requirement. You can add your content and then click on publish. And after that you can connect your domain. Now you see collection. So you can edit according to your requirement. Now close. On top you see mobile layout and desktop layout. Also you see upgrade, save, preview. Now click on preview. Now this is our website preview. Now scroll down, you see portfolio website. So you can import design according to your requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.